and hugs.
One little dolphin swimming in the sea. He met a turtle, now there's two we can see. With two in the